Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a table of contents. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or just want to track and organize your content every day, this video will be very helpful for you. In Canva, you can design your table of contents in just a few simple steps and in a very easy way. You can also customize the pre-designed or already made templates. To do this, make sure you have already created your Canva account. Go to the search option and type Table of Contents. You will see a lot of options. If you don't like one, just keep exploring until you find one you like. Take a few minutes to browse. Once you find a template you like, just click on it and customize it. Now I have full access to modify anything I want. If I want to change the text, I just double-click on it and add any text I need. You can experiment and change things as you like. If you want to change the font, just select the text, go to the font options, and choose any font you want. If you want to change the background color or the rectangles, just go to the color option and pick any color you like. Feel free to play around and adjust everything to fit your style. Once you've finished creating or customizing your design and you're fully satisfied with how it looks, it's time to export. To export, go to the Share option on the top right and select Download. Now you need to choose your preferred format. For printing, select PDF. If you want to share a photo, choose PNG. If you want it as an MP4, that's available too, along with other options. In this way, you can easily create your own table of contents in Canva in just a few minutes. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. So this is how you can quickly create your own table of contents in Canva in just a few minutes. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.